Hi. That's my driver right there. Wow, nice car. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, it's me, Rational, and I have with me a friend.
Mel here, alright.
And you can call him Mean Mel.
No, very shy actually.
He's letting me keep his car. No, I'm just kidding. Where are we going?
We're going to Sing Sing.
Sing Sing. That's
Yes.
the ring, right?
Yes, like what you're wearing. Are you
I don't
wearing
have.
Sing Sing?
So we're going to Sing Sing in BF and he's going to treat me.
No, I'm not. Wait, I'm sorry. This was misinformation.
What's that?
Right.
Okay, so we're going there. No. Bye. Hey Mel, what you got in there?
Some illegal Hey,
We're here.
we're making our way to Sing Sing.
Today is day of my Why? Yay! So close ang Sing Sing. So we decided to go here. What's this? I don't know. So we'll try it. Okay, so we'll show Mel how to eat Samgyeopsal.
It's my first time doing that.
Really? Is it true? See? No.
No, actually, you're gonna show me.
Okay, so you get the leaf. You get the meat.
What we have is
Beef.
grilled, some sort of bacon-ish looking pork.
I'll just get small.
She's gonna get small.
Because my leaf is small. And then you can get any of these. Then you can put these. And then that's it.
Does your mic even hear us?
Huh?
Does your microphone even hear
I don't know.
us? So we have thin beef strips put in a leaf, dipped in sauce, eaten whole. I haven't been in a Korean restaurant in Philippines, but it seems like they have the same setup. Similar, they have like
This one and then this
a
one.
lot of appetizers at the beginning. Now we're gonna taste
You want to eat it too? Okay, so me and Mel is trying to get, or
It's
trying to
actually
make.
not Mean Mel, it's just Mel.
Well, I prefer Mean Mel.
And what I'm trying to do is copy Ray's supposed expertise in, what do you call this?
Samgyeopsal.
Yeah. I don't know how to say that word. And I believe she just adds meat,
Okay.
dips it in sauce,
Okay.
and puts it. What else did you put?
Anything here.
A little bit of this toge that I just dropped. And supposedly you have to eat it all in one go.
Yes, you have to eat it at just one go. So what you want to do is you have to fold it smaller to make it smaller. And that's
This
big.
is a very messy looking. What sauce do you put in it?
Any.
So let's say put something in my mouth.
Yeah. Good job, Mel. I'm sorry. Good job, Min Mel. Hey. So, how do you find it?
Very filling. This is a lot of meat. I will never eat meat again.
This is the last meat you'll ever eat.
I have just become a vegetarian. Thank you to Ray.
So, what do you call this again?
What? Samgeopsal.
Samgyeopsal.
Samgeopsal.
I hope you can hear it because he doesn't want to speak.
I'm very shy.
That's what he said, but I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Very shy. But please go ahead and check my channel. Mel here.
So, what do you do?
I do a lot of traveling,
You do?
reviews, and just location videos.
Did
I
you
only
already-
have like 3 uploads.
Wow. So,
you
check
can
out
see.
his channel
Yeah,
and check out mine.
don't check out hers. But then again, you're already here.
So, you're already watching, so might as well subscribe.
Or unsubscribe and subscribe to me.
Whatever. I told you, you should call him Mean Mel because he is
I
mean.
was just kidding. I'm very shy. Actually, I just want to tell you one thing about Ray. Ray's so nice. There's one time. Come on, help me here.
How was the meat? I like the fish
Okay.
fish cake.
So here's my professional review.
Okay.
If you can check this meat here. This is the beef. It's very tasty. You can see the marbling and the fat. It's almost like bacon. However, they also serve it with pork. And just to be honest, it really isn't that tasty compared to the beef. Now, I would recommend that you just take the pure beef and don't mix it, because if you take the pork and beef, it's almost like neutralizing the taste. The texture is completely different. The toughness of the pork versus the tenderness of the beef. I'm not sure why she's cheering.
So we were talking before, and he makes food reviews. So I wanted him to teach me how to do food reviews. That's why we have this, and this is the race day.
Okay. On that note, I just want to wish everyone out there, I'm so sorry.
I don't even know if they can hear you. Can you hear him? I hope you can. Thank you, Mean Mel. You have been so great, even if you're mean.
What exactly am I mean about, by the way?
I don't know, you're always mean. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. Peace out. And please subscribe to my channel. Be kind. Bye.